Hey everyone, this is Eric at Galloway Precision. We're going to do a install on the CCP 380 extension that we offer. It's pretty straightforward. These are a 9mm mag with a spacer to keep the 380 forward, so it requires a little bit different of a setup. Similar to what we do with a Ruger Security 380. Just compress that piece in, keep your thumb over it. Set that offside. We're not going to use that. We're not going to use the back rib, or what are we going to call that. The parts you'll get from us is going to be a longer back rib that's 90 degrees rather than the angled version, and the extension itself, which has 3 Phillips head screws. Just loosen those, get them out of the extension. We're going to take and install this onto the sides here, the shoulders of the magazine. Put the new back rib, or whatever you want to call it, on here. Slide it in. If you'll notice on this, one side is threaded and one side is countersunk for the screws. So take your side that has the threads, line it up with this pocket right here. On the shoulder, it'll seat just like that. Take your boss side, put it on, drop your screws in, snug them up. You don't need to kill them. They are coarse threads. They'll tighten down nicely. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, it's all set and you're ready to go. You now have additional rounds. Everything will feed like normal. You've got the backspace back here to hold the rounds in place, just like you did from the factory. It's just a quick, easy way to add some capacity to these. We've been asked several times for it, so we finally got it out on the market for you guys. I hope you enjoy that. I hope that clears up any confusion on installing those. It's pretty straightforward once you've seen it. As always, be safe, be accurate, and God bless.